Your first 30 days, mastering Ubuntu 26.04 after Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this, chances are Windows 11 has started feeling a bit heavy, full of background processes, forced updates, and that constant sense that your PC isn't fully yours anymore. What if switching to Linux didn't mean learning a whole new way of working from scratch? In this video, we're diving into a practical 30-day plan to master Ubuntu 26.04 LTS Resolute Raccoon. I'll show you how to bridge your Windows habits to GNOME's efficient workflow, replace proprietary tools with secure open-source alternatives, optimize performance, and build a stable professional desktop that often runs cooler and more responsively than your old setup. Whether you're a developer, creator, or just tired of bloat, by the end of this month, you'll have a system that feels tailored to you. Let's get started. No prior Linux experience required. Number 1. Overcoming desktop culture shock, day 1 through 5. First things first, the desktop. GNOME 50 in Ubuntu 26.04 uses a spatial workflow that's different from Windows, but incredibly powerful once you adapt. The Super key is your new start menu. Press the Super Windows key to open the Activities overview. Search for apps, switch windows, or jump to workspaces instantly. It's faster than clicking through a taskbar. Dynamic workspaces. No more cluttered desktop. GNOME creates and removes workspaces automatically as you need them. Use Super plus page up-down, or gestures to move between them. Quick settings. Top right corner gives you instant access to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, power modes, and notifications. Very similar to Windows Action Center. Customize it in Settings, Quick Settings. Tip: spend your first few days using only keyboard shortcuts. Super plus A for App Grid, Super plus Tab for window switching, and Alt plus F4 to close windows. Muscle memory shifts quickly. Number 2. Essential software migration, day 6 through 12. You don't have to lose functionality. Ubuntu 26.04 makes software installation straightforward, with Flatpaks, snaps, and the App Center for sandboxed, secure apps. Productivity. LibreOffice is your Microsoft Office replacement. Excellent compatibility with DocX, XLSSX files. For note-taking or advanced docs, try Obsidian or OnlyOffice. Creative apps. GIMP for Photoshop-like editing, Kdenlive or OpenShot for video, Inkscape for vector work, Illustrator alternative, and Blender for 3D. Browsers and communication. Firefox is pre-installed and strong. Install Chrome/Edge if needed via the web. Zoom, Slack, and Discord have official Linux support or work great via Flatpak/web apps. Development. VS Code via Snap or official.deb. The integrated web app manager, or tools like Natifier, lets you turn websites like Gmail, Notion, or Spotify into desktop apps that feel native. Pro move. Use Flatpak for most apps. Flatpak install flathub.org.gimp.gimp. Better security isolation and easier updates. For proprietary needs, the additional drivers tool handles things cleanly. Number 3. Hardware optimization and power tuning, day 13 through 18. Ubuntu 26.04 shines with modern hardware thanks to full Wayland support and improved power management. Power profiles. Go to Settings, Power, and try the balanced or performance profiles. On laptops, this often delivers better battery life than Windows due to efficient Linux kernel scheduling. Graphics. For NVIDIA users, open Software and Updates, Additional Drivers tab, select the recommended proprietary driver, and apply. Reboot and enjoy solid gaming rendering performance with the latest kernel 7.0 support. Touch and gestures. GNOME 50 has excellent native gesture support. 3 4-finger swipes for workspaces, pinch to zoom. Tweak in settings or install extensions like gesture improvements if needed. Microcode. Usually installed automatically for Intel, AMD CPUs for stability and efficiency.
Your hardware will feel responsive, with fewer background tasks stealing resources.
Number 4, the productivity terminal transition, day 19 through 24. The terminal is Linux's superpower, faster and more reliable than PowerShell for many tasks. Install ZSH and Oh My ZSH for a modern customizable shell. Restart your terminal. It comes with great themes, autocomplete, and plugins. Survival commands: sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Keep everything current. ls, cd, mkdir, cp, rm, basics. df-h, disk usage. free-h, memory. htop, install for process viewer. Journal ctl-xe for troubleshooting. Aliases for Windows muscle memory. Edit /.zshrc and add lines like then source /.zshrc. Your habits transfer smoothly. Number 5, long-term stability and maintenance, day 25 to 30. Make Ubuntu your daily driver with confidence. Backups. Install Timeshift. Sudo apt install Timeshift. Set up automated snapshots of your system, better than Windows System Restore for rolling back changes. Updates. The Update Manager is reliable. Enable Ubuntu Pro, free for personal use, in Security Center for extended security if desired. Community. Join Ubuntu discourse forums, Ask Ubuntu, or local Loco teams. The ecosystem is supportive and vast.
By day 30, you'll have a lean, secure, and highly customizable system that outperforms bloat-heavy alternatives in many scenarios. Now, finally, conclusion. Switching OSs is a journey, but Ubuntu 26.04 makes it rewarding. You've now got the roadmap. Start small, experiment, and enjoy the freedom of open source. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's your biggest Windows frustration or Ubuntu question? I'll reply to as many as I can. Links to resources and a written guide in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Happy computing!